How cool was that, eh? That was all done by AI. Yesterday I saw that AI Story Factor, a channel with over 387,000 subscribers and over 174 million views, created these new types of shorts, showing footballers being fat, and I really think this is a new trend coming up you should take advantage of. So, you want to create these fat footballer shorts yourself too, and go viral, and get thousands of dollars? Well, you are in luck because, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your very own fat footballer shorts and go viral. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. Well, first of all, let's examine this short they made and how we can recreate something like this. Okay, that is enough. I know how they are doing it. They simply use AI to generate these super fat famous footballers with their bellies out, and then they use another AI tool to generate the video. And as a final touch, they add some effects in a video editing software. So let's get started ourselves now. First of all, we are going to take a screenshot of the short like this. And now, crop it also. Now we are going to ChatGPT and ask the following. Please give me an image prompt of Ronaldo with a huge belly. His belly so huge that it is showing, here is an image for reference, and add the screenshot. Okay. Almost great. But since I do not want a prompt for a random famous footballer, let's ask now this. Okay, now, tailor that prompt for Cristiano Ronaldo. Now let's generate an image with that prompt. We could use Leonardo AI, but since I have a Midjourney subscription, I am going to use Midjourney. So simply add the image prompt and set the aspect ratio to vertical, so 9:16. Okay, that looks amazing. To be honest, I did not want the hearts, but the images look cool. Now let's ask for another image prompt like this. Since I do not want Messi to appear in the same shirt, I'm going to write this. And I will type the following to make it even clearer to ChatGPT what I want. And he should play football. The most important is that his belly is excessively large and that it is popping out. Let's generate the Messi image. And now let's also do the same for Neymar and Mbappe. Amazing. Now that we've got the images, we are going to use the next AI tool to bring the images to life. It is called Halo AI. Simply go there and now click on the image icon to add one fat footballer image. Now next you could write a prompt or leave it completely blank, that is all up to you. I suggest to experiment with it to see what works best for you. And press generate. And guys, you can get 3 free AI video generations a day here. But for some reason when you have a free account, the waiting time is extremely long. Now, let's generate the video with Messi and add the prompt. He is playing football to see some action. Let's do the same for Neymar. Okay, nice. Now next I went and signed up with a new Google account and look what happened. Now I got an account with a welcome gift, which means I can now generate unlimited for one day. But do not be fooled. To be clear, the first 3 generations are super quick, but after that you will also need to wait like 30 minutes, or sometimes even an hour or 2. And additionally, you can only queue 3 videos at once. So yeah, the welcome gift sounds nice, but the reality is a bit different. But okay, I also generated the videos here on this account. Now download the videos and then it is time for the next step. Now it is time to edit the video. We've been all waiting for this moment, right? Well, okay. Open a new CapCut project and now add the AI-generated videos of the footballers into the playlist. As you can see here in the right corner, there is a nasty watermark. So let's upscale out videos and reposition them in order to make the watermark disappear. Now next we are going to add the text, "Who is the best fat footballer?" and change the font and preset style to your liking. Now add a new text and add the footballers' names. Change the font and preset style, and also add an animation if you like. Now go to transitions and add a nice transition to all the video clips. I really like the pull-in too. Here is a tip, try out some of the cool effects to get an even better video. The possibilities are endless. If you want, you can add your watermark like this. I am also going to download this Ronaldo sound effect with the 4K video downloader as an MP3. Yeah, you could totally add more sound effects to make the video even cooler. Now for the music, we could simply use the audio for the example short right here. But since I want a copyright-free sound, I will find a dark hip-hop beat in the YouTube audio library. Now add it to CapCut and resize it. Since I also have download also other images of the footballers being fat, I'm going to add them to each player. Now just add a transition and maybe even an effect. And guys, here is a trick to work even faster with effects. If you like an effect, simply do a right-click and press Copy Attributes, and now do a right-click on the clip you want to add it to and press Paste Attributes. Now make sure to only keep effects selected and press Paste. Now I am going to add one last Ronaldo image with the fat belly at the end. Now go to Stickers and add a subscribe sticker. Now if you want to change the sticker duration, you need to do a right click and create a compound clip. Now you can adjust the speed of the clip with Ctrl+R. As a final touch, we are going to add some nice filters. When you are done, simply export your video in 4K. Before I'm going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your very own Fat Footballer shorts and go viral. Let me know how it worked for you. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.